ingredients and what we need. 2 packs of Graham's powder. Desiccated coconut. 2 plates, spoon, ladle, 1 cup and 1/2 cup, 1 tablespoon measurement. A bowl. And lastly, condensed milk. Step 1. Put 1 and 1/2 cup of Graham powder into the bowl, or you can put all 2 packs of powder. Step 2. Add little by little amount of condensed milk, then mix it well. You can now use your hand when mixing it with a plastic bag or gloves if the mixture is hard to mix with a ladle. Step 3. Prepare your desiccated coconut in a plate. Scoop the Graham dough with a 1 tablespoon measurement, or you can measure it yourself without a tablespoon. After this, form it like a circle. Step 4. Coat the dough with the desiccated coconut. Here is the finished product. Hope you like it!